Today on Designing Spaces, aging in place, memory care tools, furniture tips for empty nesters, careful movers, new technology for hot water heaters. Time to design.
Does this sound familiar? Your parent or loved one is growing old gracefully at home, then they start having noticeable memory issues. What next? Here to wrap up our 6-part series on aging at home is Todd Houghton from the award-winning home care expert, Homewatch CareGivers. Thank you so much for being here, Todd.
Thanks for having me back.
Yes, it is profoundly surreal, losing memory or watching a loved one in that process. Dementia affects almost every single one of us in some way or another, but what is the challenge in caring for someone with dementia or memory loss at home?
It is very challenging, right? Because they can't control what's going on in their mind. And so often you'll see repetitive conversations. And we, as human nature, tend to get frustrated. We can't get frustrated with them. We have to listen. We have to be understanding and be compassionate. The other piece is they get frustrated and they may have spouts of outlashing to the person that's caring for them because they believe they can do it themselves, but they can't.
And especially at home where you do feel most comfortable, it's got to be a little more challenging in that respect, right?
It is very challenging. You know, the person living with dementia thinks they can still do the same tasks that they've always been able to do, like cooking is a big one. And then the stove gets left on and that can become dangerous. So really, when you're providing care for somebody like that, it is watching every single thing that they're doing, but being compassionate and being understanding and making them feel like they're the person that they deserve to be treated as.
Yes, it definitely requires additional help, and Homewatch CareGivers can definitely help with that. What kind of memory care specialist does Homewatch CareGivers have?
So we have a certified dementia specialist program that is unique to our brand. It was created by a renowned dementia doctor and our own clinical team within Homewatch CareGivers. And part of it is delivering sort of like a thesis at the end of the training that really talks about how that caregiver is going to change the life of somebody living with dementia.
That's just outstanding. What is the day-to-day process like for someone growing older at home with a memory issue and the Homewatch caregiver who's taking care of them?
Somebody that's living with dementia struggles with change in routine. So the caregiver provides that consistency in their life, making sure that they get up at the same time every day, that breakfast is the same time, that maybe are doing the same activities every day to really keep them safe and secure in their mind in their home.
That's wonderful. It is a great challenge. We appreciate the fact that you take such diligence to take care of our aging loved ones. Thank you so much for helping us along this special journey called Aging at Home. Todd, where can we find out more about Homewatch CareGivers?
HomewatchCareGivers.com.
And of course, you can always log on to designingspaces.tv. Such a wonderful series. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yes, thank you for letting me talk about it.
Welcome back to our tip series, Designing Phases. It's where we help you not only design your space, but offer tips based on the phase of life you're in. I love this concept. Here to help us is Anna Arun. She's an expert from Coddle. She's here to offer some tips for designing phases. So welcome, Anna.
Glad to be here.
Great to have you. So today's space and today's phase is all about empty nesters, and that means the kids are grown, right? They're out of the house, and I'm feeling an upgrade. Am I not wrong?
That's right.
Good. So we have our empty nesters, empty space. Are you ready to transform it?
Sure am.
All right, let's do it. Wow, this is spectacular. I'm loving this whole shape and the colors, and it's spectacular.
Thank you.
This is gorgeous. Anna, when someone is at that empty nest phase of their life, what does it mean when you're trying to change your house?
Well, let's talk about it. So in the empty nester phase, you're actually trying to claim back your home, if you will, from the kids.
Yes.
So some examples of what you would do in such a situation is you would possibly be claiming back a kid's room or a den, for example. And
Playroom, maybe?
a playroom, for example. And some of the things you could do with it is maybe have an extra guest room, or prep a room for returning adult kids, or just have a nice lounging evening relaxing room.
Yeah,
And
something
while-
more sophisticated.
Exactly, and make it look beautiful, and while doing so, not lose a guest room.
How do you not lose a guest room?
Well, let me show you.
So Anna, this looks like a really nice end chair, right, basically?
Yes, this is an oversized cuddle chair. So one or two people can spend a nice cozy evening cuddling on it.
Very nice. I love the size, by the way.
It is very comfortable, and we built it so that people can hang out and have a couple glasses of wine, enjoy, have a nice relaxed evening.
You sure about
And-
the glass of wine?
Yes, absolutely. And if you do happen to spill while cuddling, you can easily clean it and not worry about it.
Ah, it's performance fabric, right?
Yes, it is.
But
Yes,
it's
it
also a little lighter than some of the other pieces we've seen.
That's a very good observation. So at this stage in life, as an empty nester, you don't have to worry about going with dark fabrics, and you can branch out a little bit and not worry about, kids destroying it, and pick lighter fabrics to make the room look chic and modern, and also pick some lighter colors to accessorize with brighter, nicer accent pieces and accessories and lights and artwork and things like that.
Yes. So what about this guest room?
Right, you got that. So remember, we don't want to lose our guest room in
No, we
everything
don't.
we're doing. So this beautiful chair here turns into a twin-size sleeping surface.
Stop
Let me
it.
show you.
Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this.
That's right.
This is so cool, and it looks very comfortable.
Indeed. Since it doesn't have a bar in the back, it just has foam and a beautiful, comfortable foam. It's a twin-size sleeping surface.
Ah, so these are twin
uses,
sheets.
Yes, which uses market standard sheets. And when you wake up in the morning, you're nicely rested and don't have a backache.
Good sleep, unlike trying to sleep on the couch.
Now let me show you this.
Okay. This is obviously a stunning couch. I love the velvet look, but Anna, I know you, and I know this is probably not just a couch. Am I right?
That is correct. So let's have some fun with this.
Okay.
Let me show you how to sleep two people.
Two. Okay.
Yes, but let's have some fun with
Okay.
this. Why don't you
so
go
you're
around?
gonna be here. Okay.
Yes. So I'm gonna start some steps.
Okay.
And you follow right after me.
Go for it.
You good? Okay. Step one.
One.
There
Okay.
you go.
Done. Okay.
Very good. See?
Okay.
See how easy that is?
Easy peasy. Let's do this and that.
Done.
And then we can see the size of this. Look at that.
And how beautiful? It's a
Wow.
queen size sleeping surface.
That's a beautiful
You can
size.
use queen sheets.
Queen sheets.
And you can sleep and wake up in the morning. Fantastic sleep, no backache.
And what happens in the morning?
Let me show you.
All right.
Step
So,
one.
okay, so you just do this. Yep, there that is.
There you go.
Step one.
Step two.
Oh, that's so easy. Here we go, two.
That's it. And
Okay,
you put the
and
pillow
then
back.
step three.
Done.
Wow.
How easy
So
was that?
versatile and so beautiful, such a nice line. And for more information like this, check out the Coddle website at coddleme.com or our website, designingspaces.tv, and watch for more Designing Phases tips in the future from the wonderful experts at Coddle, here only on Designing Spaces. Let's have a seat. Let's have some fun.
Thank you for having me.
Great job.
The average American moves almost 12 times in their lifetime. That means that nearly a dozen times you can be subject to the stress of moving, the headache of packing up your fragile possessions, the back-breaking work of carrying boxes, and so much more. But a move doesn't have to mean stress.
We're Rita and Frank, and we recently made a decision to move, which was exciting but also overwhelming. So we knew that we needed some help as we prepared for this move. The most important thing for us was trust and feeling secure with the choice we made. It's a vulnerable feeling when you're moving to entrust all of your belongings to any one organization. So trust was a huge factor for us.
Luckily for Rita and Frank, the team at Allied Van Lines will bring their expertise and professionalism to help make this move successful.
Well, we're excited for your move. What are your main concerns exactly for how would you like us to help with your move?
Well, thank you for asking that, Jeff. We've actually moved quite a few times in the past, so we know how stressful this can be. And we're both very busy professionally, so we need to make this as easy as we can.
Yeah, so what we'll do is we normally, when we do the packing, it depends how much you have, but we normally will just pack the day before loading. And then on loading day, then the driver will come in, he'll inventory all the rest of the things, all your furniture, any other belongings that are gonna move with us. We'll inventory all your furniture and actually use these move labels here. So these will actually go on every item that we take.
That sounds like exactly what we need, but I think we had some concerns about our crystal and our china.
Yeah, crystal, china, some wine glasses, some art paintings. What do you guys do with that?
Okay, perfect. Yeah, so anything that's of high value, like those things might be considered. Well, we're gonna use newsprint paper, obviously, and then we put those into anything fragile, we put them into dish packs, which are a double-walled cardboard. It's more sturdy. And then that's what we use for the fragile or high-value articles. And then there's actually a list of things if you happen to have anything that might be of high value. This is a separate form that we use for that. And what we'll just need to do, the next step is we'll just need to go room by room and then show me everything that you'd like to take. And then also try to kind of keep in mind, now is the time to eliminate the things that you don't need or haven't used in a long time, instead of having to do that at the other end.
Okay, great. Which room would you like to start in?
Start in the living room.
Okay, great.
And so the move begins. More than 100 boxes and a truck full of precious family trinkets and comfy yet bulky furniture. Rita and Frank have settled into their forever home.
In earlier years, had moved ourselves. We know the amount of stress that goes into a self-move. And for us, in our busy lives, there was just no question that we needed the help from a professional moving company. Allied did an exceptional job for us.
So it was comforting to know that everything was being taken care of. And I really liked the open line of communications that we had with both the driver and the agent that helped us move.
Plan ahead as far as you can. Reach out if you're looking at trying to hire a moving company. Get out in front of them as soon as you can. As soon as you know you're moving, the more notice, the better. And there's just so much involved with the moving process. There's so many things that you have to do, and time just gets away from you. And it's best to just, as soon as you know that you're moving, reach out to a moving company, have them provided with free move estimates, and then they'll be happy to help and give you an idea of what's going to cost and so forth.
Full service mover is going to give you peace of mind. We're not going away. We'll be there if things need attention. You're going to find with a professional mover that they're part of your community. They're involved and immersed in your community. They understand the needs of the folks that are moving. And most importantly though, we're the company that you know when you're doing business. It's really important to understand who you're doing business with in this space.
If you're planning your next move and need help from the experts, visit their website, allied.com, or ours, designingspaces.tv, for more information. Mother Nature isn't always kind, as we continue to see frigid cold, extreme heat, fires, hurricanes, and more. So it pays to be proactive when it comes to preparing and protecting your home.
These days, the weather is kind of crazy. It's changing a lot. You never know what you're going to wake up to, whether it's an Arctic blast or a tropical storm. And so I think we should certainly be proactive when making big decisions about appliances and other items we're putting in our homes.
And that's really the key, especially for the Key family.
We have lived in Mount Juliet, Tennessee for 7 years. We built this house 7 years ago.
Yeah, we're out in the country and we enjoy the outdoors. We get to ride our side-by-sides around and we love it. Oh, we've got 2 older adult kids that have kids, and my daughter-in-law and my daughter are both expecting right now. So we're gonna have 4 grandkids and 4 kids we have.
So when it's the holidays or just the summertime and they all come up, it's pretty much a full-on race to who's gonna have hot water and who's not. Who wants to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and who, to be out the door by 8 if there is a lot of us here. And even with just our younger children that are still in the house, going to work, school, we're all leaving at the same time. Somebody's gonna be cold. Somebody's gonna be cold.
It's usually me.
The concept behind the EXR was to be a long-lasting, durable product. We also recognized that capacity had been an issue for some water heater owners. A lot of people have water heaters that don't give them a lot of hot water, which is a problem. Regulations many years ago took away high-capacity tank water heaters from the residential applications, and our product fills that gap. So we're able to get 7 back-to-back showers. More than just a high-capacity, durable product, it's also an energy-saving product.
Based on all those reasons, and after researching the options, the Keys decided to try the EXR. And installation is today. The folks from Hiller will be making sure it's good to go.
Good morning, guys. I'm Gary with Hiller.
Ty Key, I'm over to the house.
Hey, I'm Ashley.
Ashley, great to meet you.
Sergio.
Come right on in.
Come on in, guys.
All right. Great to be here. We're here to install this Essency today.
We are super excited. We've done a lot of research, several different brands. This one looked like that it was going to be the best fit. I mean, what do you guys think?
So we love the Essency. It's a very durable, long-lasting. Of course, it has the 20-year tank warranty, and it has the polymer no-rust tank. So it's a very upgraded unit with the latest and greatest technology.
We've got a very big family, so this will be great going down the road.
Yeah, we typically replace like 50-gallon water heaters. The Essency has a capability of 80-gallon, and it has a very easy install, and yeah, we'll probably be done here shortly, before you know it.
All right, we'll let you get to it.
All right, we'll get started.
When designing the EXR, we wanted it to be light. It's built to last, built for a 30-year lifespan. It gives you a 20-year leak-free guarantee on the tank. At Essency, we think disposable water heaters are a problem. The average lifespan of a tank water heater is less than 8 years. It becomes a replaceable, throwaway landfill product, and we don't want that to happen.
All right, guys, we're all set. We got the water heater installed. We got a new expansion tank on the water heater. We got a new shutoff. And of course, the app allows you to adjust the settings on the water heater and just basically keeps an eye on the water heater. If any issues with it, it'll just alert you.
That's great.
And it's all done.
Can't wait to try it.
The EXR was designed for durability, using a polymer. Most standard water heaters are made of steel. The minerals in the water create a problem and corrosion eventually with that steel. And so if you're not making the product out of steel, you make it out of a polymer, you don't have to deal with those issues. Connectivity is important. A lot of people in the home have all of their appliances other than their water heater connected to their phone. The app is an important feature for many homeowners. They like to be connected to all their appliances, and now that they can be connected to the water heater, they can put our EXR in vacation mode, water saver mode, and many other features.
We honestly couldn't be happier. The EXR really changed our daily living, our mornings. There's not a race anymore, and it's really been fabulous.
The kids love it.
The app, it is nice when we go on vacation. We can just set it right there. It'll also let us know if anything happens, so it's really comforting. It's been a wonderful addition to our household.
We love it.
We really do.
For homeowners looking for the right hot water solution, the EXR is the right choice for you.
To learn more, head to essencyhome.com or our website, designingspaces.tv. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.